What's up, guys? In today's video, I will be revealing what's inside my $50,000 investment portfolio at age 24. My portfolio consists of assets within stocks, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, basketball and Pokemon cards, etc.
Listen, you've been grinding. The ethos around you from everybody, this kid's hungry. He fucking truly works. He's got nuances.
What you were about to watch is 100% Josh.
We are going to Atlanta.
Josh and I are on this mission.
Now, before we get into what exactly is inside my portfolio, I just wanted to say thank you so much if you're watching this video. At the time of this recording, I literally have like 100 subscribers, which honestly, to me, that's a lot. So thank you so much if you're one of those 100 people. But yeah, all in all, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. There's been a lot of changes since my last YouTube video. I've moved to LA. I live in LA now. My social media marketing agency has like essentially doubled in size since the last time I posted a video. My parents are moving out of Southern California, which is cool. And all in all, I'm just very thankful to be making a new video. Now, there are a lot of negative speculations around investing, right? Do people think it's a scam? Do people think crypto's a scam? NFTs, right? But hopefully in this video, you get to see what I have my money behind, and maybe there might be something I see in the markets that would help you make money as well. Some of my investments, you know, have made me money, and some of them have lost me money, right? So I'll be showing you my losses, my wins. Hopefully there's something in my portfolio that might be of value for you to know about. Now, none of this is financial advice, but mind you, everything I'm showing you today is stuff that I have my money behind, and I will explain why I'm in these investments in this video. So I will be starting in order of least complex to most complex. So I'm going to be starting with stocks and then make my way down to cryptocurrency and then to NFTs, which you might not even heard of it, what an NFT is, but if you're watching this video, you probably might. And then my basketball and Pokemon cards. So with that said, let's get into what's inside my portfolio. All right, so starting with stocks, we have Robinhood. So within my Robinhood right now, I'm up about 24% in the past 3 months, and I've actually long-term, all time, I have lost over 13% of my money, right? And a lot of that has been because of honestly meme stocks. If we look at the 3 months, we are trending upwards, yay. But in terms of my individual stocks, let's take a look at Tesla, which is like my biggest holding. So Tesla, I am up 48%, which is funny because literally like 2 weeks ago, I was up 80%. Elon Musk has actually sold a bunch of stocks ever since. So now I'm up over 40%. I have been dollar cost averaging into Tesla for a good amount of time. And once I was happy with my position in Tesla, I kind of put money into other things to diversify. But yeah, so there's Tesla. At the time of this recording, my total position in Tesla right now is $13,861. Now we're on to Google. So this is a brand new purchase pretty much. I'm up over, 1.1%, almost 2%, nothing really too crazy. I see Google as one of the best profitable businesses out there. I literally purchased this because of a guy named Chamath Palihapitiya. I believe that's how you pronounce his last name. I listened to his podcast called All In. And in that podcast, he pretty much says there's nothing that's more profitable as a business cash printing machine than Google. It's also something I use, so I might as well have my money behind something that I use literally every day. I'm literally posting on YouTube, aka Google, right now. So my current position in Google is $2,970. All right, now we're on QQQQ, which is an ETF, an index fund. And this one pretty much is basically the S&P 500, but instead of the top 500 companies in the world, it is the top tech companies in the world, right? All right, so if you see here, pretty much this ETF consists of 13% Apple, 10% Microsoft, 10% Amazon, 4% Facebook or Meta, 3% Tesla, 3% Google Alphabet A, 3% Google Alphabet C, 2% Nvidia, 2% Adobe, and almost 2% PayPal. So yeah, that's pretty much what QQQ is right now. I am actually down 1%, but my total market value is $9,869. So in my Robinhood, I actually have a little bit of Dogecoin too, literally one Dogecoin. I literally got this because Burger King had like this marketing campaign with Robinhood that made it like if you bought like $5 of Burger King, you get like entered into winning potentially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. And of course, I won Dogecoin, 26 cents. I also have a little bit of Ethereum in my Robinhood stock account. Robinhood actually offers the lowest fees in cryptocurrencies. And right now I'm literally down almost 2%. At the time of this recording, I have 98 bucks in Ethereum on my Robinhood. All my Ethereum is actually in either in different brokerages or kind of wrapped up in NFTs. I actually don't recommend purchasing cryptocurrencies on Robinhood because you're not actually owning the cryptocurrency, you're purchasing derivatives of a cryptocurrency. Let's say you buy one Ethereum, right? $4,500. Now, if you want to purchase something with that Ethereum, if you have it on Robinhood, you literally have to sell your Ethereum and then get the cash, but you exit your position in doing so. Until Robinhood offers actual crypto wallets, which it is in the works, as of now, it would be best to purchase your cryptocurrencies on other brokerages like Coinbase, so you actually own your cryptocurrency versus a derivative, right? Now, in my buying power, I have $4,771 and I have zero margin, but I'm thinking about entering into margin, mostly probably just on my like QQQ position. I think it's pretty stable over time, so adding more risk to a stable asset class in QQQ into that ETF, I think that makes sense, and I've never tried margin. I kind of want to try it out. All right, so those are my stocks. Now we're gonna get into my cryptocurrency. Okay, so in terms of cryptocurrency, I have my Bitcoin holdings in BlockFi. The reason I have my Bitcoin in BlockFi is because it actually gives you 4.5% interest on your crypto that you hold with BlockFi. Let's say you hold cryptocurrency, having it in BlockFi actually makes the most financial sense. You're literally earning interest on the money, right? Think of it as your bank account. However, your bank account literally gives you like 0.01% on your money. BlockFi is offering 4.5%, right? So if you're looking to earn like 4.5% interest on your Bitcoin, for example, I'll include my link, and I think you get like $10 to $25 of free Bitcoin when you sign up using my link. So yeah, it'll get you started and you already get 10 to 25 bucks of Bitcoin. Okay, so my Bitcoin is in BlockFi. Now what about where's my Ethereum? Well, my Ethereum is actually in my MetaMask account. I have 0.5 Ethereum, $2,586. So if you don't know what MetaMask is, it's pretty much a crypto wallet designed for NFTs primarily. So my Ethereum really is in my MetaMask just in case there are any NFT projects that I really want to get into. And the issue with having them on BlockFi is that yes, you're earning interest on them, but transferring from BlockFi to a different wallet actually takes a bit of time. I think I've done it and it's taken like 1 to 2 days. So in order to have my Ethereum on hand, ready to go whenever an NFT project is up, I have it in my MetaMask. All right, so I've hinted about NFTs and MetaMask, so might as well get into my NFTs now. So in terms of NFTs, these are a project I'm currently into. It's called the Mutant Cats. So what's cool about these Mutant Cats is they actually have a DAO. So if you don't know what a DAO is, it means decentralized autonomous organization. Essentially what it is each NFT you have is a piece of governance for the overall project. Basically, the more NFTs you have, the more voting power you have on where the project goes. So our DAO has a vault of NFTs that we all, as Mutant Cats, have fractional ownership. So here is the Mutant Cats DAO vault. As you can see here, if you know about NFTs, we have a Fidenza in here, we have a Bored Ape Yacht Club, we have a bunch of mutant apes, we have a bunch of cool cats, and we have one CryptoPunk, right? Which is awesome. In my opinion, one of the best DAO projects out there that offer this sort of fractional ownership. I thought it was a great idea to diversify my NFT portfolio by being in a project similar to Mutant Cats. Another thing that's cool about this is I actually earn residual cryptocurrency from this project. I currently have 549 fish tokens, which I believe are worth like $1 each. Every day I stake my cats in this pool, I earn 20 fish a day, right? So my Mutant Cats were purchased at 1.86 Ethereum, about $8,500 each. So in total, we're looking at about $17,000 invested into the Mutant Cats project. Now again, the floor price has gone down since. However, the loss technically isn't there because I am earning residual cryptocurrency through being in this project. If the floor price goes back to 1.8, I've made my money back plus all the money I've made from the residual income. The floor price for the Mutant Cats is at 0.8 Ethereum now, so that technically is a 2 Ethereum loss. However, because I'm earning residual income on the back end through staking my NFTs and becoming part of the DAO, I don't see this one as an actual loss because I'm earning residual income the longer I hold. Whatever comes first of the floor price going back up to 1.8 or my residual cryptocurrency growing higher than the floor price, this one I will make all my money back through time. Now, on my other NFTs, I actually have a LeBron James NBA Top Shot NFT. This was actually, I believe, one of the first NFTs I've ever purchased, and I bought it for $2,000. Now, if we see the value of it now, it's actually $185. So from $2,000 to $185, I don't know what percentage that is. I could probably confidently say 90% loss on these NFTs. However, that's kind of just what's part of the game. Some of these NFTs can go to the moon. Some of these NFTs might not go to the moon. This NBA Top Shot NFT is one that I actually really like, but unfortunately, from an investment perspective, this was one of my most terrible performing investments I've ever made. I have no plans on selling this NFT at a loss. $2,000 to $200 is almost $0, so it really doesn't make any difference selling now. So really what I'm going to do is pretty much hold this probably for the rest of my life until this turns a profit. And last but not least in my NFT collection are brain vomits. Yes, so this right here is my brain vomit NFT. The reason I bought this was, well, first of all, I think the art is fantastic. I think it's very abstract. I think it has an awesome message. It says, "What a beautiful day. Change is never bad for your growth," right? But really the reason I bought this thing was because this guy named Gary V, I'm sure you might have heard of him. Before he tweeted this, he tweeted to everyone to join this guy's Discord, right? Which is a huge stamp of approval from Gary V. I think Gary V does have a lot of influence in the NFT marketplace. Call it a pump and dump, or maybe call it that Gary really did find one of the next meaningful NFT projects. I'm going to show you a clip of Mr. Beast and Logan Paul when Gary V called them about an NFT project, which was CryptoPunks, which is now up thousands of percentage since Gary probably called them out.
Gary V, it's like fucking 11 p.m. just out of nowhere, just calls me and he's like, "Yo, I got like 30 people to call, hop in." I'm like, I don't care. He's like, "It'll be the best decision of your life. Just get in." I was like, okay. Yeah. And so I just joined the call, and I just see like Logan, and I don't even know these other people. I don't want to put them on blast.
Every heavy hitter you can imagine who's worth $1 billion was on this one call, and Gary V is in the little corner, the little square. He's going, "CryptoPunks, it's gonna be huge. It's gonna be the next Facebook." All of us were like, "Okay,
Everyone's
Gary."
judging. I'm texting Logan. And I'm like, Gary lost his
legit?
mind.
Bro, all of us were like, "Yo, Gary's nuts. Yo, Gary was right again."
Yeah.
What the fuck?
We gotta keep the story going. So there's like all these like very successful people in this call, and Gary's just like, "Everyone shut the fuck up. Here's what you're gonna do, and you're gonna do it right now. You're all gonna buy a bunch of CryptoPunks." And we're all just like, he's like, "Who here owns one?" And like one guy raised his hand, and it's because Gary bullied him into buying it the day before. And we're all just like, "Are you sure, Gary?" And we're asking questions, and he's like, "Just buy it." I was just so pulled by his like conviction that I bought a bunch, like 8 of them, and they did pretty good.
So the chances of brain vomit becoming the next CryptoPunk, you know, it is slim. However, if someone of influence has their stamp of approval behind an NFT project, that isn't worth nothing, right? It's worth something. Lastly are my Pokemon and basketball cards. So I actually made the decision of leaving those cards back at my parents' house to keep them more secure, which is funny. Is like my mom has sold my Yu-Gi-Oh cards in yard sales hundreds of times. But this time I told her, I was like, "Mom, these Pokemon cards and these basketball cards, please don't sell them." I think she got the picture this time. Because they're not with me, I wish I could show you. I really don't know the value of my entire card portfolio. I know there's some Zion Williamson rookie cards. There are some first edition Pokemon cards. There are some unopened Pokemon cards. So for this one, I'd probably would have to put a question mark on the value. We could probably safely say $100. And I also completely forgot how much I invested into these cards. And it's all really dependent on scarcity of the cards and the condition. So all in all, my entire stocks and cash portfolio consists of about 42K. This doesn't include the cryptocurrency stuff I just mentioned. Any cash beyond that, I feel kind of uncomfortable and feel like I need to invest it somewhere because of how much inflation has infected the economy this year. Holding cash really isn't the best decision in my eyes. That's why I think it's important to invest in assets that I think will grow over time. So basically, guys, yeah, that's pretty much everything that's in my investment portfolio. If you want to get started investing in stocks or cryptocurrency and then earning interest on your cryptocurrency, just check the links below. Each of them have some sort of offer. You'll either get like $10 of a stock or $10 of Bitcoin, etc. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.